Good morning.
Good morning. Hope you all are well. Something a little bit different for you this morning. We've kindly been invited down to the Sandcastle Waterpark in Blackpool to take a look at all the measures that they've put in place ready for their reopening tomorrow.
Yeah, all the social distancing and everything they've got going on. They're going to let us get into the pools, get on some of the slides.
I'm scared.
Get the GoPro on. But yeah, it'll be fun.
It'll be fun. We're going to have a quick walk around, see what's going on in the main foyer areas, in the changing rooms and around poolside, and then we're going to get in the water and show you the slides and in the queue lines and see what's going on there.
Yeah.
So just waiting for everything to start and we'll catch up with you soon.
See ya. afternoon.
We've just had a brilliant time in the sandcastle there. We've got some footage in on and off the slides. And we hope we've covered everything in terms of what they're putting in place ready for their reopening.
Yeah. If there's anything that you're unsure of, I'm sure if you send them a message or even comment below, we'll try and answer it as much as we can.
Yeah.
But from what we've seen, I think they've got it all covered. It's like with any park and with anything, a bit of it is down to the public. So
it's common sense, a lot of it at the end of the day. If you look after yourself, it'll work. But there's lots of measures in place in terms of social distance and cleanliness. We couldn't fault it. We really couldn't fault it. So yeah, we're going to pop the video in after here now, which is their kind of safety video covering their COVID stuff. So we'll pop that in at the end, and that should cover everything then that we might have potentially missed out. But thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you.
Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next vlog. See you later.
See ya.
Sandcastle Waterpark is reopening on the 25th of July. In operation throughout our water park, and this is clearly marked by the signage and floor.